One of my most important things to say today is to say to my mum and dad, well, thank you so much, Mum, for never ever missing a football game. That has always supported me, and that's why I am the player I am today. You've always came to training sessions, you never missed anything, but you always look beautiful in my eyes. And Dad, you have been supporting me through the highs, the lows, anything really. But thank you for just taking care of my mum, and it's now in your hands to make sure she becomes the best woman she can be. And the last thing I want to say is thank you for treating me like a family, and can we just get 3 big woos for the one and only, the Barker couple?